That's really cool, man.
Yeah.
It's so simple, but yet awesome. Oh, bamboo skewer. That's what holds them together. That's really cool, man.
And one idea.
Yeah, it's a nice idea. Very cool. Oh, hot too. Hot. Oh,
It's very good.
very good. I agree. This is the best way to cook fish.
Where are you from?
From Canada.
Canada? Oh. Where you stay in Thailand?
Mahasalakam.
Masalakam?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow, you know a lot. Oh, khunamji, huh? Still got bees on it.
ลุงเจรจาให้หน่อยดิ
Bee larva.
20 บาท
Oh, they're beautiful cucumbers.
สบายเนาะ
Oh, all the good parts. Embryos, intestines, heart, liver, gizzard.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken, all the good pieces.
yeah
Baby frog.
baby frog เมาได้เหรอเนาะอันนี้เขาเอิ้นยังวะ
Oh, more baby frogs.
big frog อีกเหรอ baby frog แม่นปะคะ
True, yeah. Oh, stinky
บอก
eggs.
เดี๋ยวจะสิเอาเราเท่านั้นแหล้ว
These are eggs that came out of the incubator, unfertilized,
ไข่
but
เน่าค่ะ
in the incubator for
เรา
2
เน่า
weeks.
อีกแล้วเอกเน่าเอกเน่าใจแล้ว
Yeah.
Just the wing tips. $1 each. Oh, that's cheap. Chicken frame cut into pieces. $5 each. And the full chicken frame. Just a bag of bones. Delicious bag of bones. Don't tell him. Let it go.
What do you have home?
Look how thick that is, huh? Oh, this is good. Hello.
มาล่างมาห้อนคนไทยแล้วขนาดนี้
Oh, that's a cool way to oil it, yeah?
คนไทยห้อนห้อนใจสิจ้าถ้าคุณไปร่ำแล้วเลยห้อนนี่นะสมัครเลย
ลูกน้อยเด้อ
อันนี้ก็ลดให้อันนี้ก็ลดให้
Let it go.
ครับ
ยานะคะนะคะในสุดยาค่ะ
เลือกแนวรวมได้นะจ๊ะ
ลองให้40ในกันในสุดยาค่ะนั่นแหละตอนนี้ค่ะถ้าจะบอกคุยกับว่า40แล้วถ่ายรูปนั่งข้างป่าอยู่ม้อน
They smell really nice.
สวยไหม
Sorry, sorry.
สวยคนสวยไหม
Oh, sorry, sorry.
คนสวยสวยสวยแต่เฮ็ดคนสวยไหมสวยสวยสวยงานนอกที่เป็นต้นในบ่อยากป่าเพราะป่าน้ำผูนี่แล้วมาเป็นป่าก็ซื้อว่าผักหวานนี่
ถ้าจะเอาลายทำไรผักหวานโอ้นี่คนรุ่นห้องเย็นดีกว่าพี่นี่มา
Holy man, it's hot. I think this is the hottest market I've ever been in. Really cool place. Lots going on, that's for sure. It's hot, so I bought some fruit. But the fruit is hot. This is pineapple. Of course, too hot. Really good. Really good, but it needs to go on ice for a while. Crazy hot. 39 or something. And it's just, it feels like being in an oven. Oh man. That's good. Even warm is refreshing. But I will get this on ice. Get it in the cooler. It'll be good tonight. That's for sure. Refreshing. So good. Awesome market, but like most markets, unfortunately, everybody's selling the same thing. But only one guy had these. These are radishes. Really should clean them. I will try one. Don't see radishes very often, yeah? They're hot too. I'll clean these up and I eat them tonight before I go to sleep. At least one pack. I got 2 packs. Only 20 baht for a pack, yeah? 65 cents. Same with the pineapple, 20 baht. Can't argue with the price. They're very good. The radishes, yeah? Really good. Not too spicy at all. I like to know where they come from. Alright guys, there it is. Market tour. This market is about 15 kilometers downriver from Nakhon Phanom. Cool place. Very, very happy vendors, that's for sure. Very friendly. It was worth the drive to get here, that's for sure. But it's too hot. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm gonna finish my water and hit the road. Done.